Good morning everyone. Welcome again in the maths class of construction of quadrilaterals. Children, firstly I will discuss what is the construction. Construction in the geometry means to draw shapes, angles or lines accurately. These constructions use only compass, ruler and pencil. This is the pure form of geometric construction, no numbers involved. Children, what is the meaning of quadrilaterals? Children, quadrilateral means a simple closed figure made up of 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. In the given figure, quadrilaterals ABCD has been shown. Children, now listen. A, B, C, D. It is quadrilateral. The vertices of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. It is the vertices. It is the vertices. It is the vertices. Okay, children. Now, children, the sides of quadrilaterals. The side of quadrilaterals. AB side, BC side, CD is side, DA is sides. Angle of quadrilaterals. Children, DAB is one angle, ABC is one angle, BCD is another angle, CDA is another angle of the quadrilateral. Very important point. If the angles of quadrilaterals can also be written as A, B, C, D. The angle of quadrilateral can also be written as, for example, angle DAB is equal to angle A. It is the abbreviated form of angle DAB. That is A. Now, angle ABC, abbreviated form is angle of B. Okay, children? Now, how many types of quadrilaterals? Yeah, or elements of quadrilateral. Children, adjacent side. Very important point of the construction. Adjacent side. B, C, A, B, C, D. BC and CD is adjacent side. CD and DA. CD and DA is adjacent side. DA and DA and AB is adjacent side. Okay, children? And opposite sides. A, D, B, C, D. Opposite side. Two sides of quadrilateral having no common point are called opposite sides. In the figure, AB and DC is opposite sides. And BC and AD is opposite sides. In the given figure, ABDC and BCAD are two pairs of opposite sides. Okay, children? adjacent side, adjacent angles. A, B, C, D. Adjacent angle, angle ABC, angle ABC, and angle of BCD is adjacent angle. Angle A and angle D is also adjacent angle. We know that two angles of quadrilaterals having a common arm are called adjacent angle in the given quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, children? Fourth point, opposite angles. Opposite angles. Two angles of a quadrilaterals having no common arm are called opposite angles in the given quadrilateral ABCD. In the given quadrilateral ABCD, angle of ABC and CDA is opposite angles. Angle DAB and DCB is opposite angles. Okay, children? Fifth point, diagonals. A, B, C, D. BD and AC are two diagonals of quadrilaterals. BD and AC are two diagonals of quadrilaterals. Very important point of quadrilateral. The sum of all the four interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. A, B, C, D. Angle of A plus angle of B, angle of C, angle of D is equal to 360 degree. Main formula of quadrilateral is the sum of all the four interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Children, now I will discuss construction of quadrilaterals. To construct a quadrilateral when its four sides and one diagonals are given. Example number 1, construct of quadrilateral PQRS. PQ equal to 4.2 cm, QR equal to 3.5 cm, RS equal to 5.8 cm, SP equal to 3.5 cm, and diagonals QS is equal to 4.8 cm. Now I will discuss this question. First we draw rough sketch diagram, this part. PQ, QR, PQ, QR, PS and SR and QS. First we draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral PQRS and write down its dimension along the side. Children, first draw a line segment QS, that is 8.8 centimeter. Step number 1, draw a line segment QS is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Step 2, from Q as a center and radius QR 3.5 centimeter, draw an arc by the help of compass and ruler. This. And step number 3, with S as center and radius RS equal to 5.8 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect earlier arc at point R. Same process for P. Step number 4, with Q as center and radius PQ equal to 4.2 centimeter, draw an arc on the side QS opposite to that of R, that is 4.2 centimeter. With S as center and radius SP equal to 3.5 centimeter, draw another arc to intersect are drawn in step number 4 at the point P. Last step, that is step 6. Now join QP and SP and QR and RS. The quadrilateral PQRS so obtained is the required quadrilateral. Okay, children? Similarly, case number 2. To construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and both the diagonals are given. First of all, we draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD and indicate the length of the 3 given sides and 2 diagonals. Children, this is side, this side, this side. When AB, BC, CD and DA are sides of quadrilaterals. And AC and BD is diagonals of quadrilaterals. Now, I will take pencil, ruler and compass. Children, first we draw CD segment, that is 5.2 centimeter. Step 2, with C as center and radius BD C as center and radius BC 3.5 centimeter, draw an arc by the help of compass and ruler. Step number 3, with D as center and radius BD 6 centimeter, draw another arc to intersect the arc drawn in the step number 2 at point B, which cuts both arcs at the point B. Now children, step number 4, with point C as center, and radius CA 5.8 centimeter, draw an arc on the same side of CD as a point B. And step number 5, with point D as center, the radius DA 4 centimeter, Draw another arc to intersect the arc drawn in the step number 4 at the point E. Last point, that is step number 6. Now join AB, CB, DA and AB. Therefore, it is required quadrilaterals. Okay. Good day.